So here we have the front end that we have developed for our project. It consists of two roles, admin login and user login, where you could put your ID and password for a safe and secure login. So let us log in. So here we have the zones. We have Ambattur, Ananagar, Kodambaga, Valsarvakam, like 8 zones. In which for our prototype we have just fitted some errors in Ambattur. We also have alert history, notification reading, and we have a search bar to search zones. Let us enter into the Ambattur zone to see the further things. So here we are in the Ambattur sector, where we can see the number of lights faulted and the street numbers, in which street 6 has some error, and here we are inside the live reading. Here we have the readings of the zone Ambattur, and in street number 6 the red indicated lines are the light poles that are having an error, and green are which have no errors. So we have live readings, neutral wire readings, and we can check whether the leakage detected or not by calculating the difference. If the difference is more than 30 microamps, then we can conclude that there is a leakage. Actually here it has to be milliamps. That's a fault, excuse us. And here we can see with another current sensor whether the earth leakage is detected or not, and with the use of red switch we are concluding whether the ELCB is on or off. And also we can calculate it with the calculate the current in the ground pit using a unique sensor that we have prepared on our own. Let us see about the components used and how they are going to work with the schematic diagram. Let us use this schematic for the better understanding of a project and on how does it work. Let us consider this single Arduino Uno connected to these 1 2 3 4 5 sensors as a single light pole, and this is another light pole. For simple understanding I just created two light pole schematic diagram. Let us see about one in detail. So here we have a lamp which is connected to two current sensors. One will take the live reading of live wire, and another will take the live reading of neutral wire, through which we will know the current input and output. By comparing, we will know if there is any leakage. It will give the information to the Arduino, and it will transfer it to that RS485 module, and then we will get it through ESP node, and through the wireless connection it will go through our front end. So here we have the color detection sensor, which is our uniqueness, where we are gonna use our own method of knowing the ground earth by using titanium metal, which specially is to change its colors according to the voltage given to it. We are preparing a separate kit for it, through which we will get the reading. Here we have another current sensor which will be connected to the body of the light pole, through which we can detect if there is any current passing through the pole's body as a leakage. Same will happen for the second pole also. Same components have been used, and here we have the ELCB switch connected to a redeem switch. This is a touch switch. When ELCB closes, it will trip the switch, which will indicate and send the message to the ESP module, letting us know whether the switch is engaged or not, through which we can detect the healthiness of the switch. With the help of the system, we can precisely find at which pole the leakage has been occurred when multiple poles are connected to a single earth leakage circuit breaker, where the data will be sent to the ESPN through our front end, through which the maintenance team can immediately go to the spot and rectify the error. When the current is leaked through the body of the pole and the current is detected, the current sensor that is fixed in the body, it will alert us with audio as well as an hazard light to ensure that nobody touches the post, to ensure safety and create a public awareness about the earthing happening in the pole.